Hey everyone, and welcome back to another SFX video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a trypophobia foot. So first off, I started by using some liquid latex. I just did one layer of liquid latex and then waited for it to dry, and then started using my homemade scar wax. I used homemade scar wax because I had to cover quite a large surface of it. So yeah, obviously being a foot, it's quite a large surface, so you don't really want to waste professional kind of scar wax. So I pretty much just made my own, and it literally feels like the real deal anyway. So yeah, this is how it turned out, and I like it because it really kind of matches my skin. So this is how it kind of turned out of me blending it all in, trying to match my skin, kind of color coordinate it all. And this bit, I'm not even kidding you, it literally took me a good like 35 minutes to like 45 minutes, literally just poking holes in the whole foot. And yeah, in like 10 seconds it is onto the next slide, which is showing you that it's all done. But yeah, so now I'm just using some yellow face paint and just kind of splattering it on. This brush is really old. You can use any brush that you want, preferably if it does have kind of soft kind of bristles, however you say it, is really good because it kind of paints on and it's not hard. That'll kind of lift up the surface of the scar wax. So yeah, you pretty much just want to use a soft brush, and I went around and kind of played with some different colors. Then I mixed some colors, just pretty much using face paint. You could use any kind of paint that you have. So now I'm just pretty much just going in, adding different colors and different shades of yellows, a little bit of pinks, all kind of different colors to add up to blend and look really kind of yucky, and to create that little phobia that people have of holes. I much prefer this look. I did do two looks, one more kind of dramatic with more green and mossy, and with kind of that little white maggot. This is the much more dramatic look compared to the look that I showed previously. I much prefer the previous look. This was just kind of, after I had filmed the original look, I was just like, you know what, I want to play around. So I kind of went extra dramatic and just, yeah, did more blood in the holes and all that stuff. So this is a little removal. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. If it tickled your little phobias, please comment down below, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye!